Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Daron Thai A350. So this is the third video I'm making where I'm going to be unboxing aircraft from the airplane shop, and let's just get into the unboxing. So here is the model. This is looking really good actually. Oh no, look at this. There is some marks, probably because of the plastic strap which holds the plane in the box. It's not good. There's like a whole line across. Well, anyway, apart from that, everything is looking pretty good. So, in the front, we have cockpit windows, Star Alliance logo. We've got the doors, Thai Airways logo, blank engines, no paint on the winglets, the rest of the doors, and then the nice colors. So there's a purple, pink, gold, white, and then we've got the Thai Airways logo, and then the flag, I think, of Thailand at the top. It's looking good. Apart from like the weirdness in the back, I think it's a good looking model. This will fit into my collection well, and you should expect to see these in some airport updates. And this is also a Daron model, not made by Real Toy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more future videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Wait, hang on. I noticed something. Look at this. They printed out the Star Alliance logo backwards.